In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide on Google Slides. Duplicating is a quick way to reuse a layout, keep fonts, colors, and animations consistent, and speed up your workflow, especially when you're building a deck on your phone or tablet. First, launch the Google Slides app. Find the icon on your home screen or app drawer and open it so you're looking at your presentations. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your files load. Next, select your presentation. Tap the file you want to edit and wait a moment for it to open fully. If it opens in a preview state, switch into editing so you can work with slides. Now, locate the slide strip at the bottom of the screen. This is the horizontal row of thumbnails that shows every slide in your deck. Swipe left or right along that strip until you see the slide you want to copy. You'll still see the full slide in the main area above while you browse. When you've found the slide, long press it. Tap and hold on its thumbnail until you either see a menu appear or the slide becomes selected with a highlight. Keep your finger down for a brief moment. A quick tap won't bring up the correct menu. If you selected the wrong slide, just tap elsewhere and try again. With the slide selected, tap Copy. This adds the slide to your clipboard. You won't see a change yet, and that's expected. To finish, tap anywhere on the screen near the slide strip to bring focus back, then choose Paste. Or, if you see the option, select Duplicate. Both actions create a copy, and it will appear immediately after the original slide in the strip. If the Paste option doesn't show right away, long press again on the thumbnail area to reveal the menu. Once the duplicate appears, you can tap into it and start updating the text or images without altering the original. That's all it takes. You now have two identical slides sitting side by side, ready for quick edits. If you run into issues, make sure you're pressing on the thumbnail strip at the bottom, not the main slide canvas, and confirm the file isn't view only. Give the app a second to sync if your connection is slow, and then try the long press again. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep building your deck and duplicate as needed to maintain consistent formatting across your presentation.